Authenticity in the age of AI. Why AI isn't a time machine, it's a storybook. Hi everyone, Bob the Cyber Guy here. We are looking at a new kind of digital magic and why we need to be careful with it. Let's explore how AI can turn your humble history into a fictional fairy tale. The magic trick is just a sentence away. You take a real photo of where you grew up. Maybe it was a bit of a shambles, and the AI upgrades it into a palace. It looks amazing, but is it still your story? Turning memories into synthetic history. We are shifting from documenting the past to inventing it. When we prioritize aesthetics over accuracy, we risk losing the context of our origins. AI is a people pleaser. If you ask it to make your life look more exciting, it will. You might have been a dishwasher, but the AI describes you as a culinary consultant. When we polish away the hard work, we lose the real lessons we learned. Impression versus reality. We are entering an era where visual evidence is no longer proof of reality, but proof of imagination. Here's the scary part. If we keep replacing our real photos with better AI versions, the truth eventually disappears. Don't let the facts get obliterated. Future generations won't see the real you. They'll just see a cartoon version of what you wanted people to think. We are trading human history for a curated fantasy. The philosophy of imperfection. Perfection is boring. It's the shambles, the bad haircuts, and the modest houses that prove we actually lived. Here's my golden rule number 1. Label AI art. If you do use AI to enhance a story, just be honest. Tell people it's imagined history rather than a documentary record. There is nothing wrong with creativity as long as it isn't disguised as fact. My golden rule number 2, keep your originals. Always keep your original, imperfect photos. Do not let technology overwrite the source code of your life. Never overwrite, always archive. Build the future, don't rewrite the past. We love technology, but we must use it to move forward, not to falsify where we came from. Authenticity is the most valuable currency in a synthetic world. Stay authentic. I'm Bob the Cyber Guy. Use the magic, but keep the truth.